Hi! In front of me is an Android 13, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away to Access System. Now click on Keyboard, then On-Screen Keyboard and Deboard. Finally, select Theme section, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. Finally, you can click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And save your theme by hitting Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, access exactly the same settings and click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and hit Apply. If you want to delete one of your keyboards, just click on it and tap on this bin next to the switcher. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to edit one of your custom ones, click on it and select this pen between the switcher and bin icon. Now you can make all your changes. And remember to tap on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!